Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your 24-hour fitness membership. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on any browser and you need to type how to cancel 24-hour fitness. Now once you get this result, the first one result, cancel membership options. Once you are on this page, you will see this kind of window. On this window you need to select no thanks, I still like to cancel my membership, and once you click on this option it will redirect you on a new window. It will take some time, approx 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depends on your internet speed. Okay, and once you are on this screen you need to enter your email username, your password. You know very well your username and password. Once you logged in, you can manage your membership, you can edit your profile, you can make your payments, each and everything you can do by using this method. Okay, so this is the method. If you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.